In 2011, up to 10,000 boomers began reaching retirement age, and this will continue every day for the next 18 years. This video will answer some of the most important questions boomers approaching retirement need to know regarding their Social Security benefits. One of the most frequently asked questions my clients are asking me is, what do I have to do to qualify for Social Security benefits? It's actually very simple. There are only two requirements. You have to be at least age 62 or older, and you have to have earned at least 40 Social Security credits over the course of your working career. Another important point is that your 35 highest earning years will be used in the calculation. If you've worked less than 35 years, those years where you did not work will count as a zero towards your total calculation. So a question that comes up next is, how do I earn Social Security credits? And you earn them by working at a job where you're paying Social Security taxes or earning money from self-employment. For 2013, you receive one credit for each $1,160 of income. This amount is adjusted each year for inflation, and the maximum number of credits you can earn in a year is 4. The next question people have been asking me is, when do I reach full retirement age? And if you were born 1942 or earlier, that would be age 65. If you're born between 1943 and 1959, that is age 66. And if you were born 1960 or later, full retirement age will be age 67. The next question is, if I file for Social Security before my full retirement age, will my benefits be reduced? The answer is yes. If your full retirement age is age 66 and you file at age 62, your benefits will be reduced by 25%. If you file at age 63 for Social Security, your benefits will be reduced by 20%. If you file at age 64, your benefits will be reduced by 13.33%. And if you file at age 65, your benefits will be reduced by 6.66%. Okay, so we just went over how your benefits will be reduced if you file early for Social Security benefits. The next question is, if I wait to file for my Social Security after my full retirement age, will my benefits be increased? The answer to that is yes. If your full retirement age is age 66 and you delay it 1 year and you wait until you're 67, you will get an additional 8% in your benefit amount for the rest of your life. If you wait until you're age 68, you'll get an additional 16% in your lifetime benefits. If you wait until you're age 69, your benefit will be increased by 24%. And if you wait until age 70, your benefit will be increased by 32%. Now, there is no benefit in waiting until after age 70 to file for Social Security. If you wait until after age 70, there will be no additional increases in your benefits. So, the latest you should wait to file is age 70. A very common question people have for me is, what age should I file for Social Security benefits? And this is a very natural question because people think that I should file as early as possible, starting at 62. And then the question is, what is the break-even point? So if you compare somebody filing at age 62 versus somebody filing at age 70 for Social Security benefits, since the benefit is going to be so much higher at age 70, if you live to age 80 and a half, that is the break-even point. So for anybody who waited to age 70 and they live beyond age 80 and a half, they will end up getting more money from Social Security. So for people who think that they're going to have a live beyond that point, you're better off waiting. Okay, another question that people have is what is the optimal time to file for Social Security benefits? This is a very complicated question, and a simple answer that I have for my clients is if you think that you're going to live beyond age 80 and a half, then it is to your advantage to delay taking Social Security benefits to age 70. Now, not everyone can do that. Everyone's financial situation is different. But let me just give you an example. If your full retirement benefit at age 66 is $2,000 a month, and you were to file early at age 62, you would only receive $1,500 a month. Whereas if you were able to delay getting your benefits until age 70, you would receive $2,640 per month. So as you can see, there's a significant difference by being able to wait. And when we do the calculations, again, as I said, the break-even point to look at how would you end up with more money? Yes. If you lived beyond age 80 and a half, it would have been advantageous to have waited. Another question that comes up is, are my benefits going to be adjusted for inflation? Very important. And the answer is yes. Every October, the amount that your benefits will be increased is announced. So again, for example, for 2014, October of this year, 2013, it will be announced how much the increase will be. The increase for 2013 was 1.7%. Another important factor in determining when to file for Social Security has to do with, are you still working? So the question is, if I continue working, will my Social Security benefits be reduced? If you are working after your full retirement age, and again we were using an example of age 66 as full retirement age, you can work as much as you want to, earn as much as you want to, and you will receive your full Social Security benefit with no reduction. But if you file for Social Security before full retirement age, the threshold is $15,120. What that means is you can earn up to $15,120 and still receive your full benefits. But if you go above that threshold of $15,120, for every $2 that you earn, $1 is withheld from benefits. So again, just something to consider. A lot of people want to continue working, but just realize if you do file prior to your full retirement age of 66 and you continue to work, your benefits will have a reduction. Okay, the last question we're going to address today is, if I receive a pension, will it affect my Social Security benefits and will they be reduced? A pension will not affect your benefits if it is from work where one paid Social Security taxes on those wages. Any pension work where the individual did not pay Social Security taxes, their Social Security benefits will be reduced in that case. In conclusion, Social Security is a complex topic, and when to file for your benefits is an important decision for each and every one of us. I recommend before making any decision regarding Social Security to talk with your tax advisor or financial advisor. We are here to help you. You can contact us and we'd be glad to do a thorough review to help you make the decision that will be best for you and your family.